Breastfeeding is the best feeding for the baby. In fact, the breastfeeding gives the best start to the life of the baby, and it has a lot of impact on health and well-being of both the baby as well as mother. Exclusive breastfeeding is recommended till 6 months of age. Then the complementary feeds are initiated in the right quantity, right texture and right frequency. Some of the benefits of breastfeeding include benefits for the babies, which includes reduction in illnesses like gastrointestinal illness like diarrhea, respiratory tract infections, middle ear infections, urinary tract infections, and it is also known to reduce obesity later in life, and it also reduces the incidence of type 1 diabetes in children. And the next most important benefit of breastfeeding for children include decreased susceptibility to infections because of good immunological properties of the breast milk, and it also helps in adequate growth and development of brain and body. It has reasonable psychosocial effects on child, that it helps in better bonding with the mother. Some of the benefits for the mother include early contraction of the uterus to pre-pregnant state. It helps in weight loss in the right way. It helps in preventing the progression of gestational diabetes to type 2 diabetes mellitus. It helps in reducing the ovarian cancer and premenopausal breast cancer. And there is enough data to suggest it also reduces the osteoporosis. Coming to the benefits of breastfeeding to the society, it is environmental friendly and it is also economical. It is easily available, accessible, and lesser chances of contamination, and there is no plastic involved, so it is also environmental friendly.